Hello guys, this is Hunter Stewart from Hunter Stewart Hobbies. Today we are at Leaside at Wicksteed Avenue Crossings at Milepost 205.35 on the CPKC Belleville Subdivision in Toronto, Ontario. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, and let's get some CPKC trains in this video. It is exactly 7 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday morning. Here comes the next scene, roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC train coming down the line. The time is now 7:19 a.m. We have an eastbound. We got KCS 4915. On that train was CPKC 734. The 734 originates from the IHB Gibson Yard in Hammond, Indiana, and it's heading to Aging Courtyard in Toronto, Ontario. All on this September 21st, 2025 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Here comes the next scene, roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC westbound train coming down the line. The time is now 7:26 a.m. What could this train be? Autoracks. We got 8621 leading and 8008 trailing second. Look at that SpongeBob, eh? Looks like this is a late CPKC 135, I think. I think this might be a late 135. If this is 135, 135, this train starts off in the Aging Courtyard in Toronto, Ontario, and it's heading towards Windsor, Detroit area. All on this September 21st, 2025 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. As soon as I'm done catching this train, I'm going to head to Tim Hortons to go take a dump. CPKC 135. Alright, here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC train coming down the line. The time is now 8:52 a.m. So what do we got for power on this train? It's an eastbound. We got 4724. symbol on that train might be CPKC 118, I think. If it's the 118, this train starts off in Edmonton, Alberta, and it's heading towards Montreal, Quebec, where it terminates. All on this September 21st, 2025 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Alright, here comes the next scene. Roll. Let's see if there's any more trains coming. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, leave comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobbies signing off. Peace out, everybody.